Yo, what's up everybody? This is your guy Tanna, the bad boy of tech, and on this video right here, this is an unboxing and quick install of this case I got from Amazon, people, because for all my subs and everybody that know, I love my Galaxy S9 Plus. Yes indeed, look at that beautiful coral blue color. This boy is in mint, not a scratch or anything. I keep this boy in a case, it lives in cases. Yes Lord, yes Lord. So people, I was on Amazon the other day and came across this case right here. It's a Spigen Thin Fit 360. You know what I'm saying? Totally surrounding case and everything for the phone. It comes in like 3 or 4 pieces and everything. Has a tempered glass screen protector with it and everything. So I had to check it out. Plus the screen protector is what? It's curved glass. So that's mighty damn swagnificent. And I got quite a few Spigen accessories, especially one that this is compatible with, which is the magnetic car mount. You know what I'm saying? So that's gonna be a good look. You know what I'm saying? The case ain't too bulky or none of that. So I'm about to unbox it and get this boy rocking. Let's go. Alright, Joe, here we go. So we're gonna go ahead on and pull the try it tab or whatever. Bam. Easy, easy, easy. I always appreciate that about Spigen. They always package their stuff pretty damn good. You got the instructions right here for the screen protector and everything that comes with it and whatever. And I guess in this box right here is the screen protector. Yes it is, yes it is, no doubt about it. So I'm gonna put that to the side and go ahead and pull out the case. You dig? Here we go, here we go. There's the case. Wrap it, whatever. Yes sir, yes sir. Because with this case you can rock it with the screen protector or without. So right about now you see the polycarbon finish, matte black that is. Take this boy apart like that, like so. Looks pretty damn easy to install. So the hardest thing about this is put on a screen protector, but thanks to these damn instructions right here, where they at? They right here. It's pretty damn easy. So enough of me yapping, I'm about to make it happen. Let's check it out. Let's roll. All right, everybody, here it is. The Spigen Thin Fit 360. Yes, indeed, people. Cutouts are mad accurate and everything. The buttons are hella clicky on the side and they stand out to where you can feel them. It's pretty damn cool. But I'm way and highly impressed with this damn screen protector. It's tempered glass and it's flush to fit. And it was very easy to install. No question about it. But a helpful tip, once you install it, you will want to go into your settings, type in touch sensitivity, and turn that on so you can go ahead and make sure that your thumb or your finger is responsive to the screen. Man, other than that, visibility is on deck. Yes indeed, you see that. Man, oh man, oh man, this is not bad. If y'all like the swag of this damn case and everything, the link is below in the description. Man, go ahead and use that link. You'll be doing your boy Dan Tanna a favor and yourself a favor, because you will be getting a great case. Man, oh man, oh man. Well, alright everybody, that just about does it for this one. So if you like what you saw and like what you heard, please give your guy a thumbs up. You did. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel to feel the whole swag and madness of Dan Tanna, then do that too, because it's official too. Alright everybody, give money, give respect, and enjoy your tech. Man, this might be the best case I bought for this damn phone. No doubt about it. Be easy.